All right, ever since the Bardwell video, I really wanted to test what Crossfire could do on 500 dynamic with no restrictions. So this is the best test that I could come up with. I've got my beautiful wife here to help me while we do this. I'm going to power everything up. This is a Crossfire receiver in here with a Crossfire or TBS video transmitter, full-size Crossfire, set to 500 milliwatt. And my wife will have a radio to let me know when this actually breaks connection, so we can really see how far we get. All right, so we've got good connection right now. All right, Flint, you want to come help us do some penetration testing? Come on. Load up. Good boy. All right, I have my TBS magnetic mount on top of the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach that cable so we don't have to worry about anything while we're driving around. I'll set this baby right there like that. I'm going to go ahead and reset my tripometer. That's a beautiful song we'll get rid of. All right, and I'll give you a look. This is my neighborhood that we're going to be driving through laterally. It is got one or two houses to deal with. Okay, since we've made it this far, I know for a fact that there is a whole bunch of steel buildings or steel shipping containers right here. So we still have connection. I hear my telemetry warning kind of blinking, but so I'm gonna see if I can do a fast swap. So we're still green right now?
Still green right now.
Okay, so we're about a mile from the house. I'm gonna go walking into a bunch of shipping containers and see what happens. All right, we're still
green.
Well, I did lose telemetry on my side, but that means we're still could be flying right now. I could be standing a mile from the house. Still green?
Still green. Oh, just went red.
Just went red.
Yep.
Okay. So I have to be on the other side of a lot of shipping containers to lose.
Now we're green.
We're green again. Okay. That's literally amazing because I'm surrounded by steel walls right now.
Yep, that's green.
I actually have to go further.
Yep, we're green.
I could be flying my wing from over here. That's pretty amazing if the video. All right, loop behind another concrete building, see if that does anything. Green. I'm gonna go ahead and set my radio on the ground a mile away. We finally went red. All right.